Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and you can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And I may have one or two cases that I want to show you guys today. These are all of Apple's silicone cases for the iPhone 13 line. Now, these colors are available for all sizes of the iPhone 13, the 13 mini, the 13, the 13 Pro, and 13 Pro Max. With the iPhone 12, Apple had the same design pretty much for the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. A case for the iPhone 12 would fit the iPhone 12 Pro, and a case for the iPhone 12 Pro, of course, would fit the iPhone 12. But with iPhone 13, it's a bit different. There is now a massive difference in the camera bumps between the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro. Therefore, a case for the iPhone 13 Pro will fit on an iPhone 13. There's just a big gap around the camera bump where there's some excess space. But a case for the iPhone 13 will not fit on an iPhone 13 Pro. The iPhone 13 camera bump is just so much smaller that if you brought it to an iPhone 13, it would not fit. So take that into consideration when you're looking at Apple's case as well as third-party ones. Apple makes all independent sizes, so if you're getting a 13 or a 13 Pro, you can pick the right case to go along with. It's just important to know that out of the gate is that the 13 and 13 Pro, the cases, they're not interchangeable. So let's go ahead and dive in to Apple's new cases. I think it's time for a quick unboxing. There we go. Here's some iPhone cases. Let's first take a look at the case itself. So these are Apple silicone cases. They have a hard plastic rigid interior and then this soft touch silicone on the outside. We have a protective ring around the camera bump there, so if it's sitting face down, it'll protect your lenses from getting scratched up. We can see we have cutouts here at the bottom for the ports. We have the buttons on the side. They're a slightly darker color than the cases themselves. And then we have soft microfiber linings on the inside. As you can see, there's this ring here. This designates the MagSafe compatibility for these cases, so any MagSafe accessories will work with them, whether it's battery packs, chargers, mounts, anything like that, including Apple's new MagSafe wallet with Find My capabilities. If we stick Apple's new iPhone 13 Pro cases on an iPhone 12, you can see the difference in the camera bump here. This is, of course, the iPhone 12 and an iPhone 13 Pro case on the outside. There's definitely a difference between the two sizes, especially going around that camera bump. The buttons also don't exactly line up on the side, as you can kind of tell there. The toggle switch there doesn't fit in, the buttons don't line up, these don't hit correctly, so there are definitely some changes between the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 12. I happen to have an iPhone 13 dummy unit lying around, so we have our iPhone 13 Pro and our iPhone 13 Pro case, and these snap on just wonderfully. You can see how this is roughly going to look when we have a real iPhone 13 Pro in our hands, but yeah, these are Apple's new cases. So as far as colors go, this here is Marigold, the Marigold colored case. Following that, we have a green case. This is what Apple calls Clover. It is a dark green color. It goes nicely with Apple's new dark green Apple Watch band. So the dark green silicone case for Clover. We have a lighter one. This is chalk pink, as Apple says, chalk pink. Apple does not have a white silicone case. This is as white as you're going to get, the new chalk pink color. Following that, we have this guy, which is a dark blue. Apple calls this Abyss Blue, the Abyss Blue case. Then we have Midnight. This is basically black. This is basically a black case going on here. Then we have Pink Pomelo. Pink Pomelo, kind of like a pinkish red color, very vibrant pink. Then we have Blue Jay, another blue case from Apple, a little lighter than the Abyss Blue. And then the last case we have is the red, the product red case. So this is this guy here. They all look great, but not many changes from Apple's silicone cases of the past. Well, that's them. These are Apple's silicone cases for the iPhone 13 line. Let me know what you guys think. What is your favorite of all of the new colors? Let me know on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And if you'd like to grab any of these cases, I've got links down below in the description.